Hello, welcome back to Big Cheese Farm, your number one spot for practical real life farming tips, especially on catfish and poultry farming. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so you don't miss out on any valuable farming tips. Today's topic is one of the most important aspects of catfish farming, which is water management. Yes, water is life, especially for catfish. Without proper water management, even the best feed and the best fingernails won't perform well. So let's break it down. What is water management? Water management in catfish farming simply means monitoring your water quality and condition in your catfish pond so that it can improve or support fish growth and also prevent disease, and it reduces stress for your fish. Catfish are aquatic animals. Just like we need clean air to breathe and survive, so as catfish need clean, well managed water for them to grow and thrive. So water is not just their environment, it's also their oxygen, their toilets, and their food processing system. So if your water is poor, it will lead to poor growth, and that means poor profit at the end of the cycle. So let's talk about why water management is so critical in catfish farming. Number one, oxygen levels. Fishes need dissolved oxygen to breathe in the water. So if your water is not aerated or your water becomes too dirty, then the oxygen level in the water will drop. And when the oxygen level is low, your fish becomes weak or even eat less, and most times it will lead to their mortality. Number two, waste buildup. As your catfish eats, they produce waste. Then this waste combine with leftover feed and they begin to decay. If your water is not being flushed out regularly, this will lead to a toxic environment for your fish, and that's very bad. Number three, pH and ammonia levels. The pH of water affects how comfortable your fish are. If it's too acidic or they are too alkaline, it will stress out the fish. Also, the ammonia from their poo, it's extremely toxic if it builds up in your pond. And mind you, this is one of the silent killer of catfish. 4, temperature control. Why farmers can't always control the weather? Shallow or poorly managed water becomes too hot or too cold, and this also affects fish appetite and their growth. So signs of poor water quality. As a farmer, you need to observe your fish daily, and here are some red flags that shows that your water need a urgent attention. Number one, fish grasping for air at the surface. Fish becomes dull or slow or inactive. Number three, feed intakes reduce. Number 4, water becomes dark brown or too greenish, at times even black. Number 5, unusual death. So if you see all these signs, don't just pour more feed in the pond. Check your water. So how do you manage your water properly? Let's talk about practical tips you can start using from today. Number 1, water change schedule. Regular water change is one of the most important practices depending on your system or age and size of your fish. So make sure you change your water every 2-3 days to maintain a good water quality. Number 2, remove waste. Use a net or a drainage system to remove waste at the bottom, and never let a leftover feed sit in your pond for too long. Number 3, pH and ammonia. If you can afford it, invest in water testing kits for pH, ammonia and nitrate level. Ideal pH level for catfish is 6.5 to 8.5, while ammonia should be close to 0. You don't need it at all in your pond. Number 4, aeration. For farmers using tanks, tarpaulin or concrete pond, consider using aerator or air pumps to increase oxygen level in your pond. Number 5, source clean water. Always use clean water to refill your pond. Avoid stagnant water from a questionable source. And if you are using borehole or well water, allow it to rest a bit in your tank before introducing it into your pond. Number 6, control algae. While some algae are okay, if it's too much, it causes oxygen swings, especially at night. Avoid overfeeding, and if possible, provide shades to reduce sunlight direction on your pond. So let's share a little bit of what we do here at Big Cheese Farm. So on our farm, we change water from our tarpaulin pond every 2 days. We avoid overfeeding. We remove all leftover from our pond once we see that our catfish are satisfied with the feed. We observe them while feeding to know when they are active and when they are not. And once we notice they are not active, we check the water quality. And we use simple PVC pipes and gravity drainage to flush our water very quick. So this is our routine on our farm to make our fish more healthier and reduce mortality. What are the benefits of a good water management? If you take your water serious, these are what you notice: faster fish growth, less disease outbreak, better food conversion ratio (FCR), reduce mortality, and a good profit margin. So water management is not just a good practice, but it's a profit-making habit. To all my fellow farmers watching this, I want you all to remember that in catfish farming, water is not just water, it's the heart of your operation. And when managed well, your fish will reward you. So if you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and share it to other farmers. And let me know in the comment section what your own water routine looks like.